am Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to organize a stress-free, memorable birthday party for your child. As part of my services, I run arts and crafts activities at parties in London, and having hosted quite a few of these, I've learned a few tips that I'm going to share with you. Because going to parties is fun, but organizing can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if it's the first time that you do it. But following these 5 simple steps that I'm going to share with you in this video will help you ease your mind, keep your cool, and give your child that birthday party they truly deserve. So let's get to it. 1. Budget. Where do you want to spend? What do you want to spend more on? Where do you want to save a little bit? What feels more important? Prioritize the things that feels important to you. When you put together this party, you will want to stimulate all the senses. Theme. Now this is very important because this is the central focus of your party, so every single step will be around this theme. So discuss with your child what they would want their party to be about. It can be anything from fairy tales to a cosmic party. Just be creative about it. Always keep in mind who you're doing this for. So what do they really like? Think about their interests and what they always talk about at the moment. Guest list. Who do you want to invite? How big is your party? Again, reflect on the budget. How much money do you have to spend on it? Are you going to invite the whole class or just maybe a few closest friends and family? And then you create the invitations. So before you can send out the invitations, obviously you have to choose a location and you have to choose a date and a time. So say you chose the cosmic theme, then your invitations could be, for example, a rocket ship with a picture of your birthday child as an astronaut. Just to give you an idea about how specific and how you can integrate your theme into every single step. So the invite, create it as part of the theme. And once you have decided on these points, you are ready to send out the invitations. And I would recommend to send it at least 1 month ahead. On the invites, remember to ask about special diets and allergies. 4. Activities. Once again, reflect on your budget and on your theme. Create a playlist with your child's favorite songs and 3 to 4 activities to keep the kids busy. Say, for example, at the cosmic party, you could have one table with arts and crafts. So here the kids could create their own rocket ships, their own stars, their own planets, and different things that involve the same theme. Second activity could be card making for the birthday child, coloring ins, and maybe the third one could be face painting or Play-Doh, depending on the age and the size of the group. And last but not least, yes, you guessed it, the cake. Again, you go back to reflecting on your budget and your theme. Will you bake it yourself? Will you have it made somewhere? I think it's quite a fun idea to create cupcakes, and then the kids can decorate their own cupcakes with like sprinkles and stars and candy, and just being creative about it. To avoid stress, start this planning 2 to 3 months ahead. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. And if you want to receive this PDF file that I created as a checklist, pop your details below and I'll send it over to you. Also, if you live in London and you are interested in more details about the packages that I provide, do pop your details below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Happy planning, and I'll see you soon.